On the project configuration page, this page allows you to manage your projects by setting and tracking important parameters. Follow these steps to navigate through the two main sections. Step 1. Use the Project Manager section. Locate the Project Manager section. On the page, find the section labeled Project Manager. Add parameters. Click the option to add new parameters. Input details such as panel ordering or installation status. Track progress. These parameters will appear on the client's profile. This lets you monitor whether tasks assigned to sales representatives or installers are completed. Completed tasks will be marked accordingly by the team members, while incomplete tasks will be highlighted for follow-up. Step 2. Use the Billing Manager section. Locate the Billing Manager section. On the same page, find the section labeled Billing Manager. Add financial details. Enter payment-related parameters such as down payment received. Monitor financial status. Track the project's financial status as sales reps update these details. This allows you to stay informed about payment statuses without manually checking each item. By following these steps, you can effectively manage both project tasks and financial aspects, ensuring smooth and timely project execution.